How to use MT4 and start trading. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is download MetaTrader 4. You can do that on your Taurex profile on this left hand side. Click on MetaTrader 4. You can download it for your Apple iPhone, your Android, or on Windows here if you've got a laptop or computer with Windows. You want to click download MT4 and that will download onto your Windows. When that's done, it will look a little bit like this. And what you're going to want to do is click in this top left hand corner. Go to log into trade account, select the right server, and copy over your login details from your trading accounts under here. So I'm going to copy that across now. And your password, which you can show. And then when you've done that, all you've got to do is click OK or log in. That will then load up your MT4 account, whether that's a live account or a demo account. And exploring the platform is very, very easy as well. If on this left hand side you see Market Watch, that's all the currency pairs that you can trade with Taurex, but they won't show all of them. If you right click and click show all, you'll get the full suite of pairs that you can trade. Within this Market Watch window, you're going to see things like bid and ask price, and if you can't see the spread, if you right click and on here tick spread, it will show the spread for you as well, and you can make that bigger and smaller as much as you like, and you can actually remove stuff as well. Say I didn't want to have the spread showing, I can get rid of it like that, and I can add it back, and you can see that there. The data window may not be shown, and if things aren't shown, if you hover over view at the top, you'll be able to add and remove things to this bar around this left hand side. So if I didn't want the Market Watch, for example, I can untick that and I can add it back really easily. The data window is currently not ticked, so when I open that up, you see that opens up here, and that tells me everything I need to know about the current window that I've got open. And if you want to drag any market you want to trade over, if you do that like this, you'll be able to actually get the chart loaded, and you can customize this as well. You can remove it, you can bring that across, you can have multiple, or you can just have one by making it bigger and smaller like so. If you do make it bigger and you can't see the restore button and the maximize button, you see it up here. If you click that and click restore down, that's when you can start adding different ones really, really easily like that. That's the chart window here. So that will be the chart that you're currently using. And down at the bottom here, you will see that you've got the terminal window, and that's basically, again, you can make that bigger and smaller as much as you want. That will show your balance, equity, free margin down here on the trade. If you place a trade, it will go, or close a trade, it will go into your account history. All your open trades will be here as well, and you can see you get news, mailbox, and all the things that you really need to know. Mainly will be under trade and account history, and you can see the navigator here where you've got indicators that you can drag over, and also you've got your accounts here as well. And that's how you explore MT4.